Welcome to Easy English Conversations, where you can listen, practice, and feel more confident speaking English. Hi, Dan. How are you today?
I'm doing well, Nikki. Enjoying this quiet morning. How about you?
I'm good too. I am also enjoying the quiet. It feels like a slow start to the day, which I really like.
Me too. A slow start is the best kind of start. It makes the whole day feel different.
It really does. It sets a calm tone for the rest of the day. With that in mind, today we're talking about something very gentle. We're talking about wanting a simple life.
Yeah, a life that feels calm, a life that feels peaceful, not too much noise.
Exactly. Not a perfect life because we know that doesn't exist. Just a simple one. A good one.
I like that. A good, simple life. You know, when I said I was enjoying the quiet morning, it's because I feel very busy lately.
Oh, really? In what way? Tell me about it.
It's just that every day feels full. My calendar has meetings, my to-do list is always long.
The never-ending to-do list. I know that feeling.
Exactly. And it's not just work things, it's things for the house, messages to reply to, errands to run. It all adds up.
It does. It's like a constant stream of small tasks. Each one is easy, but when you put them all together, they feel heavy.
Yes, heavy is the right word. My mind feels heavy with all the things I have to remember.
And do you find it hard to relax, even when you have free time?
Totally. I'll sit down to read a book, and my mind will say, "Oh, you forgot to email that person," or "What are you making for dinner tomorrow?"
The mental chatter, it's always there, thinking about the future or the past.
Always. It feels like my brain forgot how to be quiet. Do you ever compare your life to other people? Maybe that's part of it.
Oh, absolutely. It's so easy to do, especially online. Just last night, I was sitting on my sofa. I was tired from the day. I opened my phone just to relax for a few minutes.
The classic just a few minutes on the phone. I know that well.
Exactly. And of course, it wasn't a few minutes. I started scrolling, and I saw so many things.
What kind of things did you see?
Well, first, I saw a friend who is traveling in a beautiful sunny place. The pictures were amazing.
Ah, the beautiful travel pictures. They always look so perfect, don't they?
They do. Everyone is always smiling. Then I saw another person who just started a new business. They were posting about working late, feeling so passionate and driven.
Right, the hustle culture, where being busy is seen as a very good thing.
Yes, exactly. And I admire their energy, I really do. But when I see it, a part of me feels a little bit of pressure. Like, should I be doing more?
I understand that completely. That feeling of, am I doing enough?
And then I saw someone ran a marathon and someone else redecorating their entire house. Everyone was moving, doing, achieving.
Everyone looked very busy and very productive.
Very busy, very successful. And for a moment, I just sat there on my sofa and I felt quietly overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. That's a good word for it. How did that feel? Was it a feeling of envy, wanting what someone else has?
No, not really envy. I was happy for them, but seeing all that energy, it just made me tired.
Right. It's like you're watching a fast movie and you just want to press the pause button.
That is the perfect description. And I had this really clear thought in my head. I thought, I don't want more. Then I thought, I want less.
Wow, that's a powerful thought. I want less. It makes so much sense to me. You know, wanting a simple life or wanting less, it doesn't mean you're lazy
Right. It doesn't mean you're unmotivated either.
or that you don't care about things. It's just a different priority, maybe.
Exactly. I still have goals. I still love my work and my hobbies, but my idea of a perfect day has changed.
I'm curious, what did it used to be and what is it now?
That's a great question. I think before, a perfect day was a busy, productive day, checking many things off my to-do list, feeling like I accomplished a lot.
Okay, I can relate to that. That feeling of accomplishment is good.
It is. But now, a perfect day is a simple day. It's about how I feel, not just what I do. I love quiet mornings, waking up slowly. I love making a slow cup of coffee and just sitting with it for 10 minutes.
No phone, no news, just coffee.
Just coffee. And I love having days with empty space in my schedule. Time to just be. To read a book or go for a walk.
I like that too. For me, a simple pleasure is walking without listening to a podcast or music, just walking with my wife, just being together and looking at the trees and the sky.
Oh, I love that. Just being present together, not trying to be productive every single second.
And some people love big goals. They love being busy. That lifestyle gives them energy.
And that's wonderful for them. It truly is. But some of us, we love calm. We get our energy from peace.
Exactly. Neither way is wrong. It's just about knowing yourself and what you really need.
Sometimes I think about my dream life.
Oh yeah? What is it? A big house, traveling the world?
No, my dream life is a quiet room, a big window with a nice view of some trees, a comfortable chair, and absolutely no notifications on my phone.
That sounds amazing. A very simple dream.
It is.
Honestly, in today's world, having no notifications, that sounds very successful to me.
It feels like the biggest luxury. It's funny, but that little joke makes me think. I'm learning that success looks different for everyone. It's not always about more money or a bigger title at work.
I agree completely. Sometimes success is just feeling content at the end of the day, feeling at peace.
Yes, peace matters so much. Feeling calm in your own home, in your own mind, that's a real achievement.
It really is. It's something you have to choose in a way. Choosing to say no to things so you can have that peace.
That's so true. I don't need a big life full of exciting stories to tell everyone.
Mm-hmm.
I just want a good one, a life that feels good to me day by day.
I think that's a beautiful way to think about it. And if you are listening to this and you also feel busy or overwhelmed, it's okay.
It really is. It's okay to want less. It's okay to want quiet.
It's okay to like things simple. Your life is your own. It doesn't have to look like anyone else's life on the internet.
You can choose calm. Maybe not all at once, but little by little, one quiet morning at a time.
That's great advice. Well, thank you for this conversation, Nikki. It felt very simple and peaceful.
It did, didn't it? It feels good to talk about these things. It makes them feel more real, more possible. It's like we're giving ourselves permission to slow down.
Permission is the right word. Sometimes you feel like you need it. So let's talk about that. How do we actually do it? How do we build this simple life when the world is telling us to be fast?
That's the big question. For me, a small but powerful step was managing my phone. I turned off most of my notifications. That constant buzzing, it creates a false sense of urgency.
Yes, that buzz can cause a lot of stress. Thank you for that reminder. That's something simple I can do today.
That's great, Dan, and hopefully that's helpful to all our listeners today. All right, well, now it's time for some shadowing practice. This is the part of our episodes where you get to practice listening and speaking at the same time. I'll say a sentence, and you can repeat it along with Dan. Ready? I want a simple life.
I want a simple life.
I feel busy sometimes.
I feel busy sometimes.
I don't want more.
I don't want more.
I like things simple.
I like things simple.
Calm is important to me.
Calm is important to me.
My life is enough.
My life is enough.
Great job, everyone. Thanks again for joining us for Easy English Conversations.
Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to practicing together on the next episode.